Hello students, this video is on your English grammar topic article. Let's understand that. Students, an article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific about whom you know or not means which is common. Articles are three: a, an, and the. Article is further divided into definite article and indefinite article. What is a definite article? Definite article is an article which is used to show the noun which are clear, exact or obvious. And indefinite articles are used to tell about the noun which are not clear, obvious or exact. Here, a and an are indefinite article and the is definite article. To make you more clear about this concept, let's understand our example. Victoria wants an apple. Stella wants the red apple. Here you can see that here in the first example I have used an, and in the second I have used the article. Why I have used different article here? To understand it, let's read the definition. The indefinite article a and an tell us that the noun is neither specific nor clear. In sentence 1, Victoria wants any apple, not a specific one. That's why, student, I have used here an apple, not the apple. The definite article the tells us that the noun is specific. In sentence 2, Stella wants the specific red apple. That's why I have used here article the. In this way, now I think so you are clear with the word definite article and indefinite article. To clear more about the article concept, let's go to our next slide. This is a combination of different rules regarding a, an and the. First, I will explain you about a and an. Then I will explain you about the article. A is used in front of singular countable noun, and same case is with an. An is also used in front of singular countable noun which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural noun. Same case is with an. If a noun starts with a consonant sound B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc., it is not the sound. It is the name of that letter. The sound is B, K, D, F, G, and so on. Here, A comes before the noun. And if the noun starts with a vowel sound, the words name are A, E, I, O, U, and the sounds are A, E, O, article N comes before the noun. Some example I will take now to explain you it more clearly. Cat, K. So here we use A. In the word bird, B is the starting sound of the word. So we use here A. Child, Ch. Here the starting sound is ch, so we use here a. In the same way, doctor, house, boy, table. The starting sounds are consonant sound, so we have used here article a. But here, in the case of an article, here the sound of all the words which are here in the example, vowel sounds are there. That's why I have used here an article. Apple, a, egg, a, ant, a, orange, o, r. Now why I have used with r, n, but it is starting with h and I am using here n. Why? This I will tell you in my next slide. Aunt, an, old man, and uncle, an. All these words are starting with the vowel sound, so they are having an article in the front. Here I am telling you the rules of the. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, or uncountable to describe someone or something specific or unique. Examples are the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun, and so on. Some more rules are there. Let's understand that also. As now, you all must be clear about the definite and indefinite articles. To give you more explanation, here I have specified the rules where to use a and where to use an. As I told you, we use a with in front of the words which are having consonant sound. But here in university and utensil, why I am using a? Here it is U. U is a vowel. So why I am using a here? Because the pronunciation is university, year, and year is a consonant sound, not the vowel sound. That's why I am using a here. And see this side here in front of R and honor, which are starting with H, which are not vowel, I am using N because here H is silent and sound of O is coming, which is vowel sound. That's why I'm using N here. So student, you have to use articles in front of those words which starting letter is giving vowel sound. Some other rules of a, n and the are a and n are used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. If that noun which are used to write the article, if it is a common thing, a is used, but with the specific things, the is used. For example, I need a phone. Phone can be any phone, but in this example, can you give me the books on the table? Here, the books, here it is a specific books which are kept on the table. That's why I have used here the and I have used here a. More rule about the article. A and N are used for the introduction of object when we are speaking about it first time. We use the when we mention about that object again. For example, see here, I saw a movie last night. The movie is based on a real life incident. In front of movie, in the second sentence, I have used the, and in the first sentence, I have used a. Why? Because here I am introducing you with a movie word first time. That's why I have used a here. And in the second sentence, you all are knowing that ma'am is telling about the movie which she had seen last night. That's why I have used here article the. In this slide, I will tell you where to use article the. And student, you have to learn it. These rules are are very specific rules which you have to learn to use article the. Article the is used in front of ordinal numbers like the first, the second, in front of countries or the place where the name refers to a group of island or state. The UK, the United States, the United Arab Emirates it is a combination. These countries are a combination of different countries altogether. That's why here the is used. Countries that have plural names here Philippines and Netherlands. Here the word plural sounds coming up. That's why the is used. With the superlative degrees like the best, the strongest, the is used. With the decade, the 70s, the 80s, the is used. The things which are unique in the world, the internet, the moon, the environment, here the is used. To refer to the only one in this particular area, the government, the police, the river, we use the. Adjectives to refer to the whole group of people, the French, the elderly, the poor. We use the here. The poor means not one person. Here means poor means the whole community which are not having money and considered as poor. Name of geographical areas, the Alps, the Arctic, the Nile. Okay, the Arctic, the Alps, the Nile. These are the geographical areas. That's why the is used. With the musical instrument, the piano, the violin, the guitar, we use the. You have to learn these rules. Students, at many places, you don't have to use any articles. Here I am telling you about only 7 rules. Although there are so many rules which you have to learn, but here I am telling you about few rules only. First, to talk about things in general, milk is good for you. Here it is just a common thing, and although milk is uncountable noun, we don't use article with it. Okay? To talk about sports and games. Let's go and play basketball. In front of games also we don't use any article. Before the name of countries we don't use articles. Before the name of languages we don't use article. Before the names of railway stations when they are also place name we don't use article. Before the names of meals like dinner, lunch we don't use article. Okay, before noun plus number like room 6 where the noun and number is together we don't use article. Students, very soon you will get PDF of article which you have to write in your book if you have book or in your copy if you don't have book. Okay, thank you.